Okay, let's take our pirouette exercise, starting 5th position, right foot devant, en face, arms bras barre. You're going to do a double preparation, arm and leg dégagé second, close 5th behind, dégagé derrière, place your 4th, and then a clean single with a little balance, holding up into lunge with the arms demi-bras, palms up, smack dab to your front, pull up, close derrière. Repeat to the left, arm and leg second, close 5th behind, dégagé, place your 4th correctly, weight center, and again a little balance as you go up for the single lunge, pull up and close. Repeat with doubles. Think exactly the same, think of a single but 2 heads, up, up, lunge, put the brakes on, dégagé, close 5th and left side, 5th, dégagé, place your 4 straight up in 2 heads, head, head, lunge, good girl, pull up and close. Have we got that? Good. Okay, let's go through some technical notes for our pirouettes. So we're starting with the dégagé to second. So again, your weight shifted over your supporting toes, close 5th behind, then dégagé derrière, and again, your weight supporting hip is over your supporting toes. You're gonna place your 4th position, and you want to keep your pelvis smack dab, ideally central between both legs. And then feel the floor with both feet, and you're gonna use your plié to releve up for your single pirouette, en dehors, and go up into lunge. Okay, so in order to get us to stop directly where we need to, you've got to think of 2 stages of stopping a pirouette. Relax for a second. So 2 stages of stopping a pirouette. You're up on demi-point, you're turning. I always say stage 1 is the brakes. That's your supporting heel coming down. Stage 2, the full stop, the back foot. So it's an individual thing because you all turn at different rates. You've got your own little personal motor. So that's something that you need to practice in order to get the timing of the supporting heel and the back foot in order to land smack dab to your front if we're doing the pirouettes en face. So do you want to just try that to the left with the single? So you dégagé, weight over the supporting foot, close 5th behind, dégagé derrière, keeping the weight over the supporting foot. Then as you place 4th, don't fall into the trap, which a lot of people do. The back heel's going down, but avoid going to the toe and shifting the weight back. You need to keep lifted on that supporting leg, adjust that back foot slightly in, and then shift the weight basically in the middle of both legs. That's it. And then you're ready to push with your demi up to the left, and brakes, full stop, good girl, and then pull up and close. Try the double, so slightly different timing. 1, 2, dégagé 3, place your 4th central, and then up you go. 2 heads, head, head, brakes, full stop, good girl. Pull up and close to the left, and close 5th. Keep the weight over the front foot and place center, and then 2 heads, hop, hop, and lunge. Good girl, pull up and close. Basically, for the double, you don't need that much more force. It's just the energy you need is from the plié into the releve, and then it's the head that gets you around, and that's when we get the nice quality of the turn rather than spinning like an ice skater. If you got that, good. Here we go, dégagé to second, close. Keep the weight forward, weight center, straight up, land. Good girl. To the left, dégagé. Keeping weight over the supporting foot, then weight center, straight up. Good. Now keep the necks relaxed for the double. Use your plié and up, up, land. Pull up, left. Get the weight center and up, up, land. And close. Good girl.